The optical axis of the headlamp of Mercedes-Benz W113 could not be adjusted, so it was repaired. The resin nut for adjusting the optical axis was defective, so I replaced the headlamp base. The American specification uses a general-purpose round, sealed, beam standard headlamp. The headlamp base I got had a slightly different mounting hole position, so I had to modify it. In order to place the decorative molding in the appropriate position, it was necessary to correct the front and back position of the upper side of the base. The headlamp base can be disassembled by removing the spring. It was a structure that could replace the resin nut. The mounting of the resin nut collapsed, and it was fixed poorly. However, it was not possible to obtain only a new resin nut.